Welcome to the night show with your hosts, Kyrie Glover and Jordan Moore.
Obamacare. Obamacare is a U.S. healthcare reform law that expands and improves access to care and curbs spending through regulation and taxes. I believe Obamacare should ultimately stay around because it is access to everybody in the United States to have healthcare, and everybody needs healthcare because you never know when you need to go to a hospital or when you may get sick. People believe that it's too much, the cost is too much of healthcare, but we see from the charts that it actually has improved people to get jobs, because between 2010 and 2014 we see an increase of about 240,000 jobs per year during this time. Also, from the same chart, we see a decrease in healthcare spending too, as well as providing jobs.
Obamacare really needs to stay because it allows more people to be insured. It allows more people that previously couldn't get insured now be insured, like those who couldn't afford it, like those who weren't eligible, like immigrants, old people, people that already had health problems that were being denied just for no reason. Obamacare now helps them. Obamacare puts in places for people like that they can now get it. That you can't be denied because of previous sicknesses or previous things that happened to you. We need that because a lot of people in America, they need health insurance. They need to be healthy. They need doctors that are willing to see them. They don't want to be stuck out not having health insurance all because they were sick before. It just isn't right. Obamacare helps change that. As you see in the chart, it allows more people to be helped due to the expansion of the Medicaid. It allows more people to be insured and they can no longer be denied due to certain things, due to things that they had in the past. It's very, very, very helpful.
As the last chart shows, how we have decreased healthcare spending and allowed jobs, we have acquired a new chart that shows even more of what Obamacare has done. Nearly 30 Americans are now insured by Obamacare. The rate of uninsured adults has dropped 12.3%. Obamacare is working. We see that 8.2 million signed up for plans outside of the exchanges, 9.5 million through Medicaid expansion, 11.7 million signed up for plans on insurance changes. A lot of people are signing up. The number of adults without health insurance has changed from 41 million in 2013 to 30 million today. Obamacare is the way to go.
The program needs to save because it saved over 50,000 lives. It saved it saved it saved up to $1.2 billion. It just works. It works. It works. It works. Obamacare should not be repealed. But if anything, it needs to be revised. It needs the Medicare funding to be more. That's the only thing that honestly needs to be changed with it for right now. Because Obamacare continues and continues to improve. At the end of the day, Obamacare is the way to go. And we're out. Obamacare needs to stay because of the sheer fact that it would be impractical to end it now. It would cost too much money to close it, and it would cost too many lives to do it. But perhaps it may need to be revised, even though it's working pretty well. It's working due to the fact of the payment changes, which is allowing more people to get it. It's working on including accountable care organizations, medical homes, bundle payments, comprehensive primary care initiative, the comprehensive end-stage renal disease initiative, and there's still more changes that are still going to be made.